First off, hello, happy Halloween. If you were watching this the day after Halloween, I don't know what they really call that. Nonetheless, I'm here at Cabana Bay. Actually, right now it's like 8 o'clock. Horror Nights is going on. It's Halloween night, so I'm gonna make this really quick. Been up since 4 a.m. and now I'm here in Orlando. I have no clue what was announced with Horror Unleashed, which is the year-round Las Vegas destination that Horror Nights and Universal is sort of bringing together. Here's my raw reaction. All right, they gave us quite a little bit there. I mean, maybe nothing. Oh, they went ahead and actually announced some stuff. Stay tuned, I gotta dive over the details of this and we'll come right back. So as you figured by the change in the lighting, it is now the next morning. I went to Horror Nights. Yeah, that was crazy as usual, just massive amounts of people. And I think that is where this event is leading us to Horror Unleashed, which is going to be a premium sort of year-round haunt experience from Universal's team. They actually announced quite a lot with that announcement and also left us with a lot of answers. So let's first dive into the 4 houses that we are getting for this year. And I say year because a lot of speculation on that one. So we actually have the Universal monsters. Obviously, we cannot escape their clutches no matter where we go for Halloween Horror Nights. And as well as we had the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. No word, no any details. We just know it's TCM. Obviously, Scarecrow the Reaping was a big smashing hit for Orlando. It was a big hit in Hollywood, and it is coming to Las Vegas. No word on if this is just the original expanded or if this is going to be the 3rd installment or something. We'll have to wait and see on that one as well. And The Exorcist Believer, Blumhouse's The Exorcist Believer, just put that in the big quotation, Blumhouse's. That is going to be coming to Halloween Horror Nights Unleashed, or Universal's Horror Unleashed over in Las Vegas. So no word on that portion, if it's going to include anything different or if it's going to be, you know, expanded upon the house that we've already experienced. We'll have to wait and see. And that's kind of a big notion with this event, is a lot of wait and see. So they did drop the date as far as 2025. I think we all kind of suspected that was going to happen. We still don't know a date. If it's going to be early, is it going to be fall season? To me, it doesn't make too much sense to have it open up in the fall, because then you got people having to kind of pick and choose. You want this to kind of be a big banger, but then you got Epic Universe opening up in May. So who knows? I'm sure they will let us know at least in the first couple months in 2025 what the date is. And no word on the ticket situation, how much it's going to cost, if it's going to be a tier system, a time system. Is it going to just be unlimited? I doubt it. But I'm very curious on the ticket part of this whole thing. And they also stated that there is 4 themed entertainment areas where there will be obviously characters kind of roaming around. There's going to be food and drink offerings. No word in this initial announcement about a tribute store, although I know that was kind of the rumor going on that there might be one. So kind of curious on that one. In one of the renderings, we do see, if you can zoom in on that one, it is Jack and Chance on the stage. So obviously their presence is there at the event. Although there's no icon house for now, they will be featured at the event in some degree. Now, it's no word on if we're going to see any other icons or any other popular characters kind of roaming around in the other areas. But I'm sure we probably will. A lot of people are wondering, well, how often are you going to change these mazes? Is this going to be, you know, just for the 1 year and then you're going to completely change them out? I'm not sure how that works for a year-round hunt. Like, are they just going to keep 3 of them and then change out 1 at a time, or is it going to be all 4? I'm very curious on that, but they did give us a little bit of details in their press release about that. Plus, guests can expect a continuous updated experience with must-see seasonal events and one-of-a-kind merchandise. Still vague a little bit, so I'm not sure if they're going to be like a Christmas overlay or something, or you know, what's going to make you want to come back to this haunt experience. Especially these houses have to be next level. And for those who are wondering, they did state that the houses are intense and featured elevated moments, which I'm very curious about that. I think they give us a glimpse in the video. And speaking of that video, if you want me to do a full sort of breakdown on some of the stuff that they show in that video, because there's a lot of stuff I think people just overlooked. They did tease some stuff and give us some glimpses inside. Maybe not so much the mazes, but some of the themed areas. So if you want me to do a video breakdown over that, make sure to hit the like and subscribe, obviously. We'll have a video going over some thoughts about this, some pros, some cons. Stay tuned, that'll be in 2025. So if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. And that is it on Universal's Horror Unleashed, coming to Las Vegas 2025. What are your thoughts? Leave them down in the comments section. It's kind of a beautiful day here at Universal Orlando, so I think I'm gonna head on to the park and then another night of horror nights. So peace out, everybody.